In this video, we will see how to fix error code 105. The previous ownership of this semaphore has ended. Error semaphore owner died on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. Right click on the start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available driver list, look for any driver, faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Yellow color exclamation mark means your driver is faulty. So find out such type of driver, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty driver. If you found another faulty driver also same, then basically display adapter and network adapter driver. So after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc scan now and DISM tool. First, execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and after that execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files, and after that don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next. On the next page, select your restoration point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point and click on next. Your computer will be back on the restoration selected restore point, and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, scroll down and you will find the option recovery. Click on recovery and here scroll down and you will find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. A new blue window will open. Here select keep my files and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of your system. After resetting, your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.